Hi. Wait, is that center? Hi. Hi everybody, my name is Janai Harper. I work at the Harley-Davidson in Newport Richey, and I'm here to show you why this isn't just for old men. And if you think that, then please cut it out, because it's not the truth. So this beautiful piece of machinery is a 2021 Tri-Glide Ultra. Now this bike has more features than I can list. Probably more features than I have years on this earth, but I'll start at the top. So the first thing that this bike has is a powerful 114 engine, one of the most powerful engines that Harley-Davidson has come out with since the 117 that they put in the CVOs. This bike has all the trunk space you could ever need to grab you and your loved one, your wife, your friend, your sister, your brother, to go on a long trek down to Key West or go up all the way to the Rocky and Smoky Mountains of Colorado. You get there with ease. Now, one thing about this bike is that it has RDRS, and it also has a progressive linked braking system. So if you're ever braking in a corner or if you're braking on a slick road, as sometimes us bikers so tragically encounter, you'll be all right, because it has a linked braking system which will collaborate the front brake to the rear brake for maximum braking efficiency. This 21 Tri-Glide also has ABS. This Tri-Glide also has cruise control that comes standard all the models, Bluetooth, a full liquid crystal infotainment system with all the customization quirks and queries you could ever possibly desire in a trike. Now this trike is the basis for all the upgrades you can ever really need. I've seen stuffed animals zip tied to the back. I've seen more LED lights than on the Big Apple in New York Square. This trike has so many features, it would take me all day to go through them. You just gotta come on down here and ride. So, question of the day, I'll give you 10 bucks if you get it right. You think this trike is new or used? Well, you got it wrong. It's actually used. I don't have 10 bucks to give you, but this is actually a used trike. It has 924 miles on it. Hasn't even had its 1,000-mile service. The owner broke it in for you, did you a favor. There's not one scratch on this trike. Fooled me, man. I thought it was new. I was about to tell you it was new. I didn't want to tell you any lies, but it's pre-owned. Come see it at Harley-Davidson Newport Richey or hdflorida.com. And come see me, your favorite motorcycle salesman from the southeast and west north, Janai Harper. Nice to meet you. Have a great day, everybody. Hi. All right, wait, one second. Let me turn this off. I'm about to talk to you in a second. Let me just figure out how to do this. Okay. All right. Hello, everybody. I'll do it again. Hello, everybody. My name is Janai Harper. I work at Harley-Davidson Newport Richey, and I'm here to prove to you that